It's really Rhonda on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you the power of the HFX cash trap strategy utilized through the iMastery Academy. Now, understand that HFX is high frequency Forex. Okay, nothing different. We're still utilizing Forex methods and strategies. It's just a lot faster. It's based off of time. Now, with the cash trap strategy, you can access this through your IM.Center. You're going to go to strategies. You're going to click on Hourglass, and then Hourglass is going to bring you to the cash trap strategy. Now, cash trap strategy is actually one of the easiest strategies that we have available. So today I'm going to break it down step by step. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to mybinarybroker.com. Mybinarybroker.com. It's going to actually bring you out to Pocket Option, which is going to give you a $50 promotional credit. So when you go ahead and get started, you'll get a $50 credit based on the amount that you start with. But you can open your demo account utilizing mybinarybroker.com. Now, when you get here, you're going to be able to open up a demo account, right? You're going to open a demo account, and I'm going to break everything down right now. So right here is going to be your time, right? This is going to be time. Now, with the cash trap strategy, you're going to be using a 3-minute timer. 3-minute. Right underneath is going to be the amount that you're wagering per trade. Let's just say we're going to do $20 per trade, right? This is what you wager. So if you happen to lose the trade and not clear it, you're only going to lose $20. Whatever amount you choose is what you choose that you can lose if the trade does not go in your favor. Now, right here, you're going to go to the different pairs, right? The numbers on the side is the percentage of how much you're going to make if you clear the trade, meaning that you win the trade. So let's just say we use EURCAD, right? We're going to win 70%, meaning that we're going to make $14 on the trade, right? So we're wagering 20, we're going to make 14. We're on a 3-minute timer. If you need to change the pair, these are going to be the pairs. When you see OTC, that means over the counter, meaning you're working with the broker's numbers because the market is closed at the time, right? So OTC is over the counter, meaning you're working with the broker's numbers because the market is closed. You're going to see that a lot on the weekends because OTC means that the market is actually closed. So OTC is something that you will only see once again, repeat, the market is closed. All right. So we got that understood. Okay. Right here, you can change from area, line, candles, bars, or Hakanashi candles. Right here is your time frames: seconds, minutes, and hours. Okay, so you just click this right here. That's going to give you everything you need. You click here, it's going to give you all your pairs. You can do currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stock, and we're going to be just using regular currencies today. All right, these are going to be indicators that you could add if you choose to. You just click on the line here and all your indicators will be here. Okay, you can add those or not add those, totally up to you. Right here are going to be your tools: horizontal, vertical, ray, Fibonacci, trend lines, parallel lines, rectangles. Okay, so that's a quick rundown of what we're going to be utilizing. So we're going to go back to the Hourglass strategy, choose cash trap. Once this opens, we'll be able to utilize the strategy to our benefit. If you have cash trap, make sure that you use it, almost abuse it, okay? All right, so the first thing we're going to go off of is going to be the arrow, okay? The arrow. The arrow alone is about a 50% chance that you are going to close the trade. Just the arrow by itself is a good indication, but I would only risk about 1% based off just the arrow. But now what we're going to do is we're going to go down and we're going to check for all of the confirmations, okay? So we got a confirmation, and we're going to just run them down to the bottom. All right? So we have those. All right, so the first thing we're going to look at is the arrow. The arrow is pointing down, so we get points for that, right? We're looking to see if this is crossing back in side of the red lines because it's a sell. So we don't have any points for that. No points. This is supposed to be coming down. It's not coming down. No points for that. All right, so no points for that. Then you're looking for the purple line, which is going to be your EMA line. You see how it's above your price? You actually get a point for that. So you have points and points. All right, so you have points for both of those. So you don't have any points here, any points here. And then we're going to go to the currency strength meter. Currency strength meter is going to help us also get some confirmations for the trade. Now, we have the USD JPY. Since the USD JPY is the first pair, we want to make sure that JPY is the stronger pair because it's the second pair and we're going to be selling. So JPY needs to be stronger than USD, right? So JPY has 1, but USD has 3. So we get no points for that. No points for that. All right, so we got points here and points here. So you got 3. And then we got this and this here. Okay, so we got that going on. So we want to be able to take this trade once the numbers are going down. So even if we take this trade just based off of this, we would have taken it around the entry price, which is here. So we want to take this once it starts to come down. Remember, we're taking it on a 3-minute time frame. 3-minute time frame. So we're going to open this up to see it a little bit more. So you see here, we want to wait for price to start coming down to take this sell down. So not yet. We want to take it down here. See where the word entry is here? That's where we want to take this trade. So we want to be able to take it. If you look at the time here, 9:13 and 30 seconds, you can look at your timer on your computer to see when the next candle is going to be forming. Since this is a 5-minute time frame, we know that the next candle should be forming at 9:15. So we can wait a minute and a half for a new candle to form so we can see where it's going to open up for the trade. Okay, so that's what you want to do to utilize the Hourglass cash trap strategy for the entry. So we'll wait for that and we'll look at another pair, right? Okay, so we'll come and we'll look for a new trade. We got our arrow pointing down. We got the purple line below price, so there's no point for that. We got this in between, so it's not coming up or coming down, so no points. And then you have this one in between as well. So the only thing you have right now is the arrow. So just off the arrow, we could take this trade for a sell, but it's only going to be at a 50% accuracy rate. So what you want to do is you want to wait for a price to come back down to your entry, and then you're going to take the sell. So price needs to come down below your entry, but you want to catch it at the ultimate point. So you want to catch it right around here. So now we can go EURCAD, and we want to hit it for a sell, right? When we hit it for a sell, price just has to stay below our red line. Red line is our entry point, right? It just has to stay below. As long as price stays below our entry, we'll be making our profit of $14, and you can watch it right here. We got 2 minutes and 40 seconds on this trade. As long as it stays below, we make our $14. Okay, so we'll let this trade run. Wait for it to close out. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Right? This is where we got it from. So we have it here. We'll just wait for the trade. And again, this is a 50% trade because everything else does not line up. We just had our arrow. Now you see the arrow just changed on us. So that's why you have price kind of going above. We're starting to trade for 2 minutes. We still have 2 minutes left for this trade to go in our direction, which is not a problem. We still got plenty of time on this trade. So we got this. The cash trap actually gives a ton of trades because it's constantly changing with the market. So you can catch about 10, 20, 30 trades in the hour off of this strategy alone. You don't have to sit and babysit and watch your computer. If you want to go for 30 minutes or you want to go 10 minutes, you can come in here and catch a ton of trades back to back and be done with your trading for the day if that's your style. You don't have to sit on the charts all day long. So we see how we got some red candles coming here, starting to come back down. There we go. There goes our drop. We got 1 minute and 14 seconds. Now we're starting to get that movement down. 1:08, 1:06. Here we go. We got to start. We're back in the green, as you can see right here. As long as this is lit up, we have profits. When it goes 0, we're not in profit. But you can just watch the line as well. So you see how we're pushing all the way down. We got 45 seconds. We'll take this trade down. 40 seconds. Come back over here. So you see how it's, you could have been in a buy and a sell at the same time because it gave you a short little buy and now it's continuing to sell. So you see how right here we're good. We're way below our price, our entry price. We only got 21 seconds on the trade. We're still good on the trade. So this is going to be $14 in 3 minutes. $14 in 3 minutes, family. That's amazing. And this all came from the cash trap strategy. 3, 2, 1. We've earned our $34, which is $14 in profit. We literally took the trade from the Cash App strategy inside of the I Am Mastery Academy. We're using our My Binary Broker for our demo account. And all you have to do is go into products, which is going to be under your strategies. Choose your HFX, Hourglass, and then you come here for Cash Trap. You utilize all your indicators and you place your trades here. If you have any questions, please follow me on Instagram. It's really Rhonda. It'll be in the description below. The broker is myBinaryBroker.com for your $50 bonus. And your currency strength meter is located at livecharts.co.uk, which I will also put in the description. All right, family, that's what I have for you on the cash trap strategy. It works, it works, it works. It's amazing. HFX is life-changing. So definitely tap in. I'll see you at the top because the bottom is